Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will be discussing about one of the most common interview question related to the I domain. That is, which records are captured in inclusion exclusion criteria not met, that is the I domain. Here one of the common misunderstanding is that we capture responses to all the criteria in I domain, which is wrong. As the description of the I domain states, it is the dataset to capture the response of only those criteria which are not satisfied by the subject or not met by the subject. When we say did not meet, this means any exclusion criteria which is satisfied and inclusion criteria which is not satisfied. To explain this further, here is the data example taken from the sdtm IG. The data is of three subjects. Please note that the first two records are for the same subjects, showing that this subject met all the criteria except these two, one being the exclusion criteria and the other being the inclusion criteria. If we further observe, the response for the exclusion criteria is Y, whereas for the inclusion criteria it is N. This is indicating that the exclusion criteria was met, whereas the inclusion criteria was not met. So all the exclusion criteria which are met will always have the response as Y, and all the inclusion criteria which are not met by the subject, it will have the response as N, and only these criteria which are not met by the subjects will be captured in the I domain.